Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to optimize AutoCAD performance on a large project file using the easy method. This is a great way to boost your loading speeds on your design session so you can work on huge maps and buildings without your screen freezing up. Step 1. Unlink and freeze hidden outside reference sheets. The first step is to open your Master Reference Manager and turn off or unload the heavy outside drawing files that you do not need to look at right now. Type the words External References into your bottom typing bar, hit the Enter key, look at the list of attached outside files, right-click the sheets you aren't using today, and select the word Detach, because large project files often pull in dozens of other outside blueprints, like plumbing layouts or electrical grids, all at the same time. You have to put these background sheets to sleep so your computer stops loading thousands of extra lines that are far away from your current workspace area. Without this step, your machine will waste its energy tracking hidden walls that you aren't even editing. Step 2. Run the Purge and Audit tools to clear file errors. Now, you need to clean out the internal code of your project file by running 2 deep maintenance commands to fix glitches and throw away hidden junk data. Type the word Purge into the bottom text line, hit Enter, click Purge All to drop old deleted items, then type the word Audit, press Enter, and type the letter Y to repair background file errors. Keep running the Purge sweep until the selection buttons turn gray and let the Audit tool finish its scan until the error count says 0. Because large project files accumulate invisible trash and broken tracking lines over time as multiple people work on them. By sweeping out this hidden garbage, you lighten the overall file weight and fix silent loops that cause sudden crashes. It is the key step to getting the right output because it keeps your master file healthy and organized. Step 3. Turn off the automatic selection highlights. The final step is to go into your application preferences and disable the visual effect that highlights and glows every line your mouse touches on the screen. Type the word Options into your bottom command bar, press your Enter key, click the tab labeled Selection at the top of the box, and uncheck the preview boxes. Click the box to turn off the selection preview look when no command is active, click Apply, and hit the OK button to close the panel. Because when you move your mouse arrow across a massive project file with millions of lines, the computer works way too hard trying to light up every object you pass. Once you turn off this automatic glow effect, your mouse arrow will glide smoothly over dense areas without a single hiccup. Now, your optimization setup is completely finished and your large project file is ready to use at top speed. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.